Welcome back, queens and kings, and thank you all so much for watching. Today we're going to decorate. So if you all would like to see how I got this rustic glam and with the winter blues tablescape, please continue to watch. Hey, queens and kings. All right, queens and kings, so I have already did step one, as in laying down my runnels. Yes, more than one I'm using this particular time. I want to do something a little bit different, and if I'm not mistaken, this is some type of trend that's going on this year where people are using two table runners instead of one, and as you guys can see, I have put it going towards the width of the table instead of the length of the table. And for me, it just gives a little more contrast, a little more depth, and it does soften the table up a little bit, and it does break it off into a little section. So we're gonna move on to the next step. Okay, so now I'm going to start placing my chargers down, and as you guys can see, I'm using two different styles of chargers, mirror chargers as well as these beaded chargers. So I love this little simple look, but by my table is a rustic table, or espresso, whatever, a dark table, and by I'm using the dark blue runners as well as dark chargers, I feel like I need to lighten up a little bit more, but we're going to continue in layers and placing items before I can actually get to that step. Alright, so the next layer would be plates for me, and I'm using two different styles here. I'm showing you guys these square as well as some circles here I got from the Dollar Tree, matter of fact. Okay, so as you guys can see, I placed the round plates as the four-seaters, and I placed the two square plates as the head table, which I don't have no chairs there, but we're just going to imagine that there's some chairs there. But you guys will see the complete look pretty soon. But I'm going to lighten it up a little bit more because as you guys can see, it's even though the white plates are there, but it's still not giving me that mirror look. And as you guys can see here, I have placed some more mirror charges down just to lighten it up a little bit more and jazz it up. And I put up under the round charges there. I'm trying to think what they are. I placed my square beaded charges down as the two end head table. So as you guys can see, I did the same thing from one side I did as to the other side. So I'm liking this a little bit more because it got more of the mirror going on, so therefore it's gonna lighten it up and more jazz it up and give me that little glam. And as you guys can see, we got the rustic glam with the winter blues so far. Alright, now before I go any farther with this table scape or anything like that, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my centerpiece. And for my centerpiece, I'm using my light up Christmas boxes for that extra rusted look and that more Christmas vibe that I was going for. Alright, so next we're going to layer our last layer on that I'm going to show you guys on camera, and that's basically our little salsa plates and stuff like that, in which I put two different styles of plates, and one is from the Dollar Tree, the plain plates, and the one with the silver trimming on it, I got them from somewhere I don't have for years now. But before we go on, or before I show you guys the finished look, please like this video and share and subscribe if you're loving this so far, and leave your comment down below.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, families near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss, A green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day.
Right, Queens and Kings, I just want to go over the table with you all. Just a quick little simpleness of the table. What my idea was actually doing this. Honestly, I really didn't have an idea, but I do know I wanted to bring Christmas over here other than just putting the little ornaments in these Dollar Tree little sled. I took the little red ribbon off and put the blue on there. So therefore it's a lot of blue. So those are the winter blues that is going on. And then I put some Z Gallery bling on top of my napkin rings. You guys know I love the layering look of my napkin rings. I have 3 of them here. These blue ones are DIYs. Not even sure where I got those from. Yes, I do. Bed Bath and Beyond. Then these are Z Gallery. So therefore, I have 2 layers of chargers, home goods, Tuesday mornings, and all that is Dollar Tree. So I love the look of this. I really do. And I love that I didn't have to use no candles because my gift boxes are the lighting for the candles. So it play 2 roles in one. The Christmas decor as well as the lighting over here. And that's why you guys seen the look of me showing it all lit out up, and that was night. So today is a whole nother day. So you guys get a clear view of how everything looked without the lights on or anything like that. But I totally love it, love it, love it. You know, I just hauled those. Those are from Pier 1, which is the salt and pepper shakers. And I did put some flowers here just to soften it up a little bit more because I was losing my white that I got on the trays, but I want to still have that little pop of white, and that's what the white flowers does for me. Now, I know you guys like, Val, these are plug-ins, so what I did, put some battery operated lights in there because I didn't want to run no extension cord or nothing on my table. That's just look, make it tacky, make it tacky. It is so beautiful, so beautiful. So I love the way that it look. And just to soften my chairs up, I put these little white not white, Lord, what are these little furry pillows in there just to bring some more of the little rustic going on. Once again, the head tables, even though y'all don't see no chairs, these ghost chairs, just look at it like that, ghost chairs. Okay, the lighting is taking me out, but I do have my chargers here, which I use the square just to break it up because I'm using the round other set of chargers somewhere else in the house. So I do have them in square as well, these little smoke gray beaded chargers. Then I still have my 3 layers of napkins here as well. So instead of doing it like I have here, I wanted to do something a little bit different. And like I said, once again, the 2 head tables are exactly the same. They have a little bit more layers than the other 4 seatings. So, and I love the look of having the 2 chairs and then the bench here. And if you guys don't know, these are DIYs, and I revamped some items that I got from the Goodwill. The bench came from the Goodwill, as well as the 2 chairs came from the Goodwill. So that is pretty much it. Oh, the glasses are from Ross, which those are Z Gallery dupes and stuff like that. You know, Pier 1, all of those. So you can find all this sparkle stuff during the holiday time. If you guys are looking for it, it's out there right now. Christmas is the best time to get all the sparkles because that's where you're going to find it at in every home decor store. And I didn't put any utensils on them because I know Andre, he's going to play with them. So there's no need to put them on there because I'll be telling him all day, put them back, put them back. So, yeah. So I hope you queens and kings enjoy my little dining room decorate with me. And if you all did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, share the video, you know, and subscribe to the castle if you are new because I'm going to be bringing you guys some more of this rustic glam and winter blues. So with that being said, queens and kings, I will talk to you all in the very next video. You guys be blessed and continue to be royal.